Hey there guys, it's your boy Jono Gamer and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to decide if the $10 speaker is worth it or if it's a bust. And today we're going to do a little unboxing, so we're going to get to that now. Oh, what do you know? There it is, mini speaker. So apparently it can answer calls, has USB compatibility, has battery so it can charge, wireless connection, probably Bluetooth, and can play music, mobile phone call, mini speaker. So enjoy music, enjoy life, I guess. Yeah, this looks like the silver edition. There's just some advertisements on how it looks and the assorted colors. And let's open this. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. There we go. Lucky knife. Okay, so this is the list of instructions. Okay, that's Chinese, cannot read that. Okay, so it's basically on how to charge this thing, key operation, pretty basic stuff, I guess. So now we know this is MP3 radio Bluetooth state. Short press, play and pause, and yeah, that's for the manual, but we can read that later. There's no harm in doing that, right? Okay, now for the contents. Oh, I'm surprised this comes with a micro USB. And surely we can have some way to charge this. We're going to have to get a charging block for that. And here's the... So either can connect to some devices or just manually connect it if you don't want to Bluetooth it. Like old devices and tape recorders and all that stuff. Basic plain, I guess. And the speaker itself. Oh, hello there. First impression, beautiful. That is amazing. Only for $10? Wow. Okay, so you know that's mode. That's pause and play button. Also by answering calls by holding that button, I guess. Volume down and skip tracks back. And skipping forward, and also volume up. DC5, which is also the charging cable port, the aux cable, micro SD card, the microphone, also if you want to use it, and USB. So far we haven't even tested this thing and it looks worth it. And we're going to be setting a device to connect to this baby. Okay, to test the speaker. Oh, it's a bit dirty. Okay, switch it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Wow, that is loud and that is a weird sound. But what do you expect? Okay, so let's go into our settings here. Bluetooth, more settings. Okay, so apparently you have to put this thing into mode. Oh, there it is. 887. Let's connect. Let go.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Lol. Okay, well, it's connected. And let's just test some sample music. Probably, what's now? Music Maker Jam. Non-copyright, I guess. Okay. And then goes up. Can you hear that? Wow, that, oh, that's loud, surely. Okay, so we know the Bluetooth connection works very well. Okay, let's test it with other pieces. This is by Dark James ZA905. Check him on his YouTube channel. He made this song. Okay, check his YouTube channel for the full music. And here's one I posted. Let's hear how it sounds from here. Wow. This, just $10, people. Just $10. And there's a lot more settings, like, say now this is connected to your device and you have a phone call and you still want to connect your speaker and not lose your connection. Just make sure to hold in this phone button and keep it in and talk through the microphone that's located on this side so then the people can hear you. Amazing. Well, you have just seen that. A $10 speaker, Bluetooth speaker, connected to your audio, your micro SD card, USB. What more do you want? This. Ho ho ho, this buddy. Well, I guess you could say the price is not based on its performance, but more on its plastic shell. Make sure not to drop it, then you'll have some problems. But in any case, this thing is amazing. People, buy it. It's a buy. This is a total yes. This thing's not a bust at all. This is worth it. It beats most speakers at this price stage. Seriously. Wow. Performance. I guess China got something right. This thing. Oh, powerful.
The Bluetooth device is ready to The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
You see? The connection successful. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment down in the comment section below on what you thought on the speaker's sound performance. Well, if it sounds properly on this device, of course. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye.